Guys, check this thing out. It has to be my new favorite cruiser at the moment, especially with what we got going on under the hood. This thing has been set up to be the ultimate tourer with no expense spared. So it's absolutely critical that it's safe and reliable since we'll be traveling to the most remote locations around Australia. Now, it may not look like it, but this vehicle is completely road legal with the standard DPF system and 100% emissions compliancy. The performance setup that we've created is only possible due to the engineering mindset that we carry with all of our products. This beast was completely transformed at Tuneworks in Newcastle, who are continuing to deliver the best results in performance, endurance, and reliability. The Mighty 79 Mark II is huge and towers over me with the Mark's forward drive portals and 35-inch tires, all while outputting 300 horsepower and 900 newton meters of torque at all four wheels. And this is with better fuel economy and the DPF in place. If you have a heavy tourer or tow frequently, then you need something that is built to endure. And that's exactly what you can expect from our dealers. The reason it's so good is that the packages we offer are engineered to complement each of the products involved, to give the full potential of every component, which in turn gives you the best possible driving experience. Now, this vehicle was one of the first to get the latest GTurbo G333 Titan, and the feedback from ARB and all of you guys has been absolutely astounding. I honestly believe this is probably one of the best turbochargers we've ever made, alongside our G400 Titanium, which has to be my personal favorite. For a vehicle like this, it needs the highest quality, tried and tested products to ensure its reliability. If you want to transform and upgrade your tourer to handle anything that you throw at it, join the movement by upgrading to GTurbo's engineered performance packages.